The video CV is a short visual recording used by a candidate to apply for an opportunity. Instead of replacing traditional CVs, the video resume is a tool that comes to supplement the written document to increase the chances of success. The purpose of a digital CV is to highlight the personality, to create an excellent first impression, and to highlight the talent and abilities of the candidate. In order to have an outstanding video CV, we suggest you follow the next steps. Plan in advance. Write a script, memorize it, and rehearse it. Remember to keep it short, from 60 to 90 seconds, and to be specific, according to the opportunity you apply for. Plan the location. Think about the set, the background, and make sure that you are in a quiet and well-lit place. Structure it well. It's suggested that you divide the video CV into 3 parts. Start by introducing yourself, explaining why you created the video and why you are the right person for the opportunity. In the second part, you could talk about your unique points and any relevant skills and experience using slideshows, videos, or animations. End by summarizing and thanking the audience for watching, and don't forget to introduce a call to action. Get yourself ready. As appearance also matters, plan your outfit in advance and get ready as you would do for an interview. Edit. Make sure you have a decent camera. Your phone might be enough. Pay attention to the quality of the video and especially to the audio, as it's the most important part. Make the video dynamic by using different angles. In the end, try to have fun in the process and enjoy creating it.